now it's time for the DIY. So we are going to make 3 types of stylus as you know today. So the first type of stylus which we are going to make, you will be needing a pen like this. You can use a pencil also, but I prefer to use a pen. Then you will be needing a earbud. Then the third thing which you will be needing is a foil. Fourth is a pair of scissors. And the fifth thing, which it is the most difficult thing to find, is water. Just joking guys, just joking. So now we are going to make a stylus with this pen. So we have to first open the lid. As you can see, this is the hollow pen. Take out the refill, and then what you need to do is you need to just cut this thing. See, let me just show you. Oops, mine gone. So cut it very carefully. Wait a minute, I'll just come. So now see, I have cut this. So now I just need to place it here. So if it don't goes, what you need to do is you need to just open the cap and then put it aside. Then take your foil wrap and just cut it some part of it. So make sure that you just roll it some, not much, as your stylus needs some only. Okay, so roll it like this. Okay, as I am showing, this is my stylus. So you have to roll it like this. I will just roll it. Then what you need to do is you need to place it this inside this. Make sure these both are in contact. It's very important for this. So now see, I just made it in contact. So now what you need to do, I'll just show. Take some water, okay, and then repeat your hand. This is a tap water, not used to drinking water, and then just tap it here. Okay, so just make it wet, not much, as the screen may be damaged with this. Okay, so I'm just making it wet. So now our stylus is ready. So I had made my stylus. I will just repeat once. So now it's time for the test. So here I have something like this. This is my Instagram. Wait a minute, I just... Okay guys, so this is my Instagram. And as you can see, wait a minute, see, this is working. Okay, now I will something write on this and then I will show you. So now I will write my channel's name in this using this stylus only. Okay, so make sure you just press it. Just wait a minute. Okay. THE space random see. So I have written this name using this stylus. So if your stylus comes down or it is breaking, so you can just put a tape like this. Even you can put a clear tape also. So now we will show you the second type of stylus. So for the second type of stylus, you will be needing pen, a earbud, so a earbud, a pair of scissors, foil wrap. Even though if you don't have foil wrap, you can make it from copper wires, but here I am having foil wrap, so I am just doing it. So first step, what you will do is just take your foil wrap and then cut it as much as you require for your stylus. Okay, so like this I have cutted it. So now just paste it, put it here, make sure that you put the space for this, and then just start rolling it. So it will automatically come up till here. You can roll it in any direction, it doesn't matter that you have to roll it in one direction. And see, to make some type of hole like this, insert your earbud here, and I will just now tie it with tape, so you will just see how I'm tying. So just insert it, put it here so that it sticks well, and now I am just putting a tape over there. So you can see I have piece of a tape. So now just roll it at the bottom so that it fits well. Okay, as much as you require you can roll it. So see, this is coming out, so we have to fix this also. So I will just fix and I will just come. See, I fixed this also, but make sure that the place where you will hold is in contact with the aluminium foil. And guys, I forgot a thing. If you want to know the science behind this, so watch the video till the end. And then now you can just go. I will tell 1, 2, 3, and you will just hit the like button up till blue. I don't know how. You will just smash or you will just slap it, but hit the like button. 1, 2, 3. Just smash it. And now the step which you all know is to dip it in water. You can dip it in water once or twice, but I prefer to do like this. So I'm doing like this. Okay, I've just done. My wheel is completed. So now again I will go to this one, and I will just delete. So you see it's working. It's deleting. Okay, done. Backspace, done. Cancel your story. Done. So now I will just write it something like this. So just wait a minute, I will just stick it properly. Now it's sticked, you can see. And now I will again write the random technology. No. To our channel. Okay, so you will just subscribe to our channel. So now the third type of stylus which I'm going to show. For the third type of stylus we need just a 2 ingredient. It's a 2 ingredient stylus. This a pen, but make sure that it's a metal pen, and this is a cotton. So what you have to do is just take out the refill of this. As in everyone you need to take out the refill of this, and then just put it inside so that it looks like how I'm doing. So you can see I'll just put it inside. You just dip or you just put it in 1, 2. Okay, our stylus is ready. So this looks more elegant, no? I will show you how it works. I just came to Instagram once again. Done. Our second channel name, okay? The Random Technology Hindi. So now if you don't follow this channel, The Random Technology Hindi, go there and follow. Okay, this change also font. And so these were some kinds of stylus which I had shown to you today. We'll be back again with next tutorials. Till then, wait a minute. So see, these are the 3 types of stylus which I had shown you. My personal favorite is this one. Second will be this one. Third is this one. You can also even paint, or you can also even make it with pencil. But I prefer you to make it with pen because it's pretty good enough. See this one, how it's looking. So what's your favorite? Comment down in opinion. So if you haven't followed us in Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, so go there and follow us, and Facebook also. So here you subscribe us, hit the bell icon. If you like our video, and then just share it. And if you will do 1K shares in our videos, so we will give you a special giveaway. And the big announcement is waiting for you. Till that, stay home, stay safe.